Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw a number one dad trophy. I start with a line of symmetry in the middle of my page and I'm measuring out 4 centimeters each side. That is going to be the width of the trophy. Now you might like to continue drawing yours with pencil. I'm using a Copic multi-liner 0.8 to show you how to draw it. I hope you can join me and follow along and draw the number one best dad ever trophy. You might like to turn it into a card or a poster and give it to your dad with some writing on it about how much you love him. Now that you've drawn the trophy, you can add any decorations you like. I've provided some as an example here. I'm putting the number one best dad ever on this trophy. I'm filling mine with love hearts, but you might like to put things in the trophy that your dad loves to do. For example, fishing for rods, you might put some fishing gear in there. If he likes mechanics, you might put some tools in the top. Now you can colour it any colours you like and using any colours, pencils, textures. Here I'm using some brushed markers by Montmartre. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope you spoil them rotten. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye. Cheers.